Welcome back. Today's story is about a loving mother who adopted twins in a Dinka village. See how the twins will repay the debt. Although the story is captivating when told in the Dinka language,
it is vital for the younger generation, who may not speak Dinka, to learn it as well.
Echoes of the Heart, a story of unconditional love and forgotten gratitude in a Dinka village. In a Dinka village rich with tradition and stories that weave the fabric of life, there lived a mother known for her boundless love and resilience.
This mother, who had once filled her home with the laughter of her children, faced a heart-wrenching
turn of fate when she lost them in tragic circumstances. Yet, her heart, a wellspring of love, remained undimmed in its capacity to care for another soul.
One sun-drenched day, her path led her to a deserted thatch roof hut on the outskirts of their village.
There, in the shadows of abandonment, she discovered two malnourished twins. These children, barely able to walk or speak, were in the throes of severe gastroenteritis, their young lives hanging by a thread. The mysterious absence of their parents left the mother puzzled and deeply concerned. Torn between her grief and the plight of these twins, she initially walked away,
only to be drawn back by the invisible threads of compassion.
As the sun dipped below the horizon and no parents appeared, she made a life-altering decision. With a heavy and hopeful heart, she took the twins to her home, a sanctuary she had longed to fill with the sound of children once more. She tenderly bathed the twins upon their arrival, their fragile bodies reviving gently. She nourished them with traditional porridge, their first meal under her care. Following the Dinka customs, she massaged their frail bodies with butter oil, a remedy to ease their pain and strengthen their joints. As the years rolled by, the twins grew under her loving care. They embodied her hopes and dreams, filling her life with purpose and joy. Having invested all her resources and love in them, the mother watched with pride as they matured into hard-working individuals, blessed with fruitful marriages, livestock, and farms. However, time, the relentless sculptor of life, weakened the mother. In her twilight years, she sought comfort and support from the twins she had raised with such love and sacrifice. Heartbreakingly, they met her with cold indifference. The twins, who had lavished affection on their biological mother, showed no regard for the woman who had given them a second chance at life. Her heart ached as they spoke harshly, demanding she return them to where they had been abandoned. The twins showed no mercy towards her love and compassion, insisting that she take them back to the worst of times if she could. In her moments of solitude, she grappled with the pain of rejection, pondering the irony of her fate. Despite the heartache, she knew that raising two abandoned children was among the noblest acts one could perform. The Dinka, an ethnic group from South Sudan, hold a deep reverence for the idea of procreation, and believe that having many biological children is a sign of success and blessing. However, they also recognize that not all people they help will be grateful for their assistance. This sentiment is echoed in a famous Dinka tale that reminds us to help others even if we do not receive appreciation or reciprocation. The story emphasizes the importance of kindness and generosity, and how these virtues can positively impact the lives of those around us. If you like this story, please comment, subscribe, and follow this channel. Dear listeners, this story is a part of the cultural heritage of Dinka villages.
It teaches us a lesson that remains relevant even today.
The story revolves around a mother who, despite facing personal tragedies, showed immense courage and compassion towards others.
Her story is a testimony to the power of unconditional love and the intricate nature of human relationships.
This story is a poignant reminder that our actions, kindness, and compassion define our character. It teaches us that even if our efforts are not always appreciated or
reciprocated, giving, loving, and caring remains a pure and noble pursuit. Let us all strive to embrace these values and improve the world.
This story encourages us to reflect on the bonds we form and appreciate those who have stood by us and lifted us during our weakest moments. Let's remember the hands that held us, the hearts that loved us, and the sacrifices made for our well-being.
As we navigate the complexities of life, we should hold on to the essence of this tale
and strive to embody empathy, love, and selflessness.
In doing so, we can enrich our lives and those around us, creating a legacy of kindness that echoes through generations.
Let us always cherish and honor those who have been our support pillars in our journey through life.
Thanks for watching. Discover a collection of inspiring moral-based stories, showcasing the unique perspectives of South Sudanese and Dinka cultures and diverse African narratives. These stories serve as a source of inspiration for young minds seeking to connect with their cultural heritage, offering a wealth of wisdom and growth opportunities. The collection is continually growing, so remember to subscribe, like, and share to spread the magic of these timeless tales.